how to buy cryptocurrency. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy or how you can start buying cryptocurrency or the crypto. Now, if you're wondering how to invest in cryptocurrency for the first time, then what you can do is first choose what cryptocurrency to invest in, select a cryptocurrency exchange, explore storage and digital wallet options. There are lots of digital wallet that offer you to trade crypto and such, and then you can decide how much to invest or manage your investments. Now, for cert, if you want to do it using the Robinhood application, you can simply open up the Robinhood application. You can do so using Coinbase as well. Now here I'll show you on the Robinhood application. What you want to do is you can go ahead, and if you scroll down below here, you can see the cryptos to watch, and you can see the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. What you can do is you can simply tap on that particular Bitcoin that you see there, and here you'll get the buy option. In my case, I haven't verified my account, so I'm not getting the buy option. As you can see there on the screen, it says thanks for your interest in trading crypto. We are currently reviewing the info you have submitted. So here you'll be able to buy and sell your crypto as well. So this way you can buy crypto using your digital wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.